Hello friends and welcome back to the second video in the May releases. So this is the May melt box and I am missing two items from this box and they are on their way. They're supposed to be here this week, but I needed to get the filming done, so I will insert pictures when we get to that part and kind of explain what they are and what the process, like my thought process was to adding them to the box. So anyway, this one is a very tropical themed box. Comes in this little guy right here, providing that the other two items actually fit in here. This box might change, but you get the idea. So when you open it up, you've got all the goodies inside. So like I said, this one is a very tropical themed box. So we've got our sticker pack, we've got our stickers, we've got our wax melts, and then I'll show you that guy. So let's start with these ones. I'm going to set this off to the side a little bit so that way I can, here, let me move that underneath there. So to start with these stickers, pull them out. I can get them all out. So this was the artwork from the Villains on Vacation. So this is Castaway Cay. You can see here is all of my little villains hanging out on Castaway Cay Island, having a good old time. This is their, so this one's a pretty big sticker. And this one can wrap like around, say, a bottle. Like if you have like a water bottle or something that you want to put it around, this one will fit around it. I made it nice and big, or it makes a perfect thing to go on one of your planner covers or on a dashboard or wherever you like to stick your stickers. But there is the foursome that went to Castaway Cay together. This is a little backing card. And then you've got some of the things from the cruise line. So here's like the Disney Cruise Line, one of their drinks. Then you've got the Castaway Cay sign. So if you've never been on a Disney cruise, you don't have to have ever been on a Disney cruise. You don't ever have to have been on an island. This is just a fun, like tropical theme. And I thought it was perfect for this time of year. Actually, my daughter thought it was perfect for this time of year. So this whole entire set was inspired by the island that you sail to when you go on the Disney cruise lines. And it is fantastic. If you've never seen videos of it, someday I'm going to get on a cruise ship and I'm going to go there. But first I have to figure out how to not get seasick. So here are all of your stickers with that beautiful foil overlay in the background. So let me set that off to the side. Then, like I said, this is very Villains on Vacation. So I thought it was appropriate to do some villains quotes. What's up, witches? You can't sit with us. Rotten to the core. Bite me. And resting witch face. So I thought that was cute. Oh, I have more than one in there. That means I'm missing one of the other ones. Hold on. I grabbed two of that one and not enough of the other one. Okay, and then you've got your wax tracker, so your wax burning tracker, and you can put down the name, whether or not you want to reorder it. Unfortunately, with my boxes, I don't carry these outside of the box, so you wouldn't be able to reorder these, but these would work really well to keep track of the scents that you like, because I use the actual scent that is on the fragrance bottle. So you can find this fragrance at another location if you want, if you like really loved it. And I'll tell you one of them that oh my gosh, it's so fantastic. You'll see in a second. Anyway, here is your journaling sheet. So this is wax melts and stickers. So this is the sticker part. So there's all that. And then two more sticker sheets. So if you're journaling, these are really cute for journaling. But there they are. You can see that got Yzma on there. Cute, 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 cute. All right, now let's get into this. So it's a nice hard one. The original Mean Girls. I thought this was stinking adorable and I had to make them. So these come in every box, and this is a nice coaster with the cork on the back, so it's perfect for like your desk or up in your living room or wherever you want to put it, and it's got the fantastic Mean Girls in it. Then we can get into the two things that aren't in the box, so I'm going to insert a picture here and talk about it. So this first thing I thought would be super, super cute. Look at how dang adorable this little plushie is. So I thought this one would be perfect to hang up, like maybe hang on the edge of one of the canvas totes that I got that came in one of the other boxes, or you can put it on your beach bag or whatever, like little fun little beach thing that you want to go to. And I thought it was stinking adorable. And then this thing here, I am in love with these little pouches. Love, love, love them. I've got a ton of them in my office. I use them to hold things like washi and pens and whatnot. So I got this one, and it has the little shark on it because I thought it was perfect for the whole island tropical vacation kind of theme with the cute little shark on it. So you also have this little pen pouch slash washi pouch slash whatever you want to put in it. Could be like a little makeup pouch, whatever you can fit in there. And then you can put that in your little tote bag. So now we will get into the melts. So this month we have three, like always, and they are very tropical themed. We've got passion fruit and pineapple, limoncello cream, which is amazing, and then coconut lime. So I'll start with the passion fruit and pineapple. I'm doing something a little bit different with the melts now. I've gotten away from coloring them, so they're not going to have color to them anymore. They're just plain white, and I've got the heart clamshell here for you, but I do have something fun on the top. So, and these are safe. So here it is. How stinking cute is that? So passion fruit, it's got like little strawberries and bananas on there, little kiwi, not kiwis, little oranges, all kinds of fun stuff in there. So this one, like I said, is passion fruit and pineapple. Oh, it smells so good. Very tropical, very fruity. Very, very, very summer. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I can't explain them. I'm not even going to try to explain them. It's just think tropical drinks. And then you've got this one right there. Okay, and then I'll go with the coconut lime next. So again, it's just the white with the clamshell, and then on the inside of the coconut lime is this like super fun little florals in there. Look at how cute they are with the little flowers, and I cracked the crap out of this one, but it's okay. It's gonna melt just fine. I cracked it because I put these on too soon, and then I closed it so that it could. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my gosh, that's absolutely fantastic. I love that coconut smell. This is like your favorite shampoo. Like if you love the smell of like Hawaiian Tropic or like coconut in your shampoos or your soaps or whatever, like your hand soaps, this smells like that. It smells amazing. It is so good. So that one is coconut lime. And then this one is both my daughter and my favorite, so much so that I made a second batch of just this flavor for her and I. So when she comes over this week to meet the puppy, she's going to have a few of these to take home. But inside you've got the little lemon slices and then the green and the yellow. And I opened it and I'm just dying. I'm absolutely dying. It's very like, almost like a lemon lime candy, cream candy. Oh, it just smells so heavenly. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. But there's all your little guys on top. And these are safe. They'll just melt down in your wax burner, and then you just wipe them out and put your next little thing in there. Easy, easy. So there are all three of those. So like I said, the two things will be here this week. I just needed to get the filming done. So they will also be in the box. You've got your 3 cents. You've got your stickers and more stickers, and your journaling kit. And then you've got your wax burning trackers, your little villains quotes, and then you've got all of your little stickers here. I'm just making a pile so you can just kind of recap everything, because it's going to be a very short video. I didn't want to lump all of them together in one. I like to do the journaling kit and this one separate, since they're very limited stock, so I don't want them lumped into the other one. I want them to kind of stand on their own. But there are your stickers and your your little coaster, and then the other two things, which I already showed you earlier. So hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope you guys love this. The smells are absolutely amazing, very summery, very fantastic, very, very excited about this. And one last thing before I go, I'm going to leave it linked down below, but there is a subscription for this now. And it is, it has its own standalone site where all you can do is sign up for the subscription. You can start it, you can stop it, you can do whatever you like with it. There's times on there, everything's on there. I'll leave it linked down below. And it just makes it so that if you don't want to rush to get the limited stock that I put up on Etsy, it is like the guaranteed. So that way I know every month how many more I need to make than this. So the amount that I make for Etsy is like a standard amount. This is how many I make every month, and they sell out every month. So I thought, let's try the subscription, because I don't want to buy a bunch of extra stock and be left over with a lot of stuff. So if I have these on a monthly subscription and it's something that you're interested in and something that you like, then for sure I will know I need X amount this month and X amount next month, and I can order appropriately. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that at the end of the video. So all that stuff will be linked down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye.